Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about fractions. Don't worry, fractions are not scary. They're simply about sharing things fairly, something we do every day without even thinking about it. By the end of this lesson, you'll be a fraction expert. Well, almost. Before we talk about fractions, we need to understand something called a whole. A whole means one complete thing. It has not been broken, cut, or shared yet. This pizza is one whole pizza. This chocolate bar is one whole chocolate bar. Easy so far? Good. We're off to a great start. Now, imagine you want to share your whole pizza with a friend. To be fair, each person must get the same amount. That means we must cut the whole into equal parts. Fractions are all about fair sharing. No one wants the tiny piece, unless they're feeling generous. When we split a whole into two equal parts, each part is called 1/2. We write 1/2 like this, 1/2, or 1/2. That means the whole was split into two equal parts, and we are talking about one of them. If the parts are not equal, it is not a half. Sorry, rules are rules. If we split a whole into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4. 1/4 is written as 1/4. 4 parts, all the same size. Notice something interesting. The more parts we make, the smaller each piece becomes. Maths loves patterns like that. This part is very important. Fractions only work when the parts are equal. If one piece is bigger than the others, it is not fair sharing, and it is not a fraction. Fractions are polite like that. Everyone gets the same amount. Let's think for a moment. Would you rather share a pizza with one friend or 3 friends? When there are more people, the pieces get smaller. When there are fewer people, the pieces are bigger. This helps us understand fractions even better. Fractions are not just in maths books. We see them when we tell time, share food, cut shapes, and even when we play games. Anytime something is shared fairly, fractions are involved. Maths is sneaky like that. It's everywhere. Let's pause and think. What is a fraction? Why do the parts need to be equal? And here's a tricky one. Which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/4? Have a think. You're smarter than you realize. Well done! You've just learned the basics of fractions. Remember, fractions are about one whole split into equal parts and shared fairly. This is only the beginning. There's much more to explore. Keep practicing, keep thinking, and most importantly, keep believing you can do maths. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. There are lots more fun maths ideas coming your way. See you in the next video.